Hi all, welcome to Knowledge Share SS. I hope you all are fine and doing well. So right now we have started number system CBSE class 9 and we have completed few lessons, few lectures. So the students who are new in this class, I would like to request them, please visit previous videos that will help you to have better understanding in this session. Okay, so we'll start today that find, you can see in the screen also, find root x equal to root over 3.5 geometrically. Okay, geometrically. So geometrically we have to find out this value, means x is equal to 3.5. So from I am trying to cover the syllabus within a very short time frame, so this is not important right now. Definitely I will discuss later, but right now I am not discussing this one. Okay, now coming to if a, okay, let me clear this part. Okay, if A and B positive real number, then you can say these are the important formulas you have to remember and it will help you to resolve problems. Okay, so we can write root over AB equal to root A into root B, 2. Root over A by B, we can write root A by root B. You have to remember, please listen this lecture carefully. Okay, third one, root A plus root B and root A minus root B equal to A minus B. So I am elaborating this part, okay, how it is coming. So root A plus root B and root A minus root B. So you all are well known to the formula A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. So apply this formula for this one. So definitely it will be, root A square minus root B square. So A minus B, because root A into root A equal to A. So how root A into root A equal to A, we will prove this one also in coming session. Okay, now the fourth one is A plus root B into A minus root B. So how? See, so we can write A square minus B. How? Same, A plus B into A minus B. So it will be A square minus B square. Okay, so we have applied this formula and A square minus B will get. Number 5, root A plus root B and root C plus root D. So what will be the result of that? Root AC plus root AD plus root BC plus root BD. I will discuss that. We can write, even I have also discussed previous lessons that root AB we can write this one as root A into root B. So when we are doing the multiplication, so we are getting here root A dot root C. So we can write this part as root AC. So how I have written. Okay, so root AC, root AD. Now again multiplication with this one, root BC and root BD. Okay, And the last but not the least, that root a plus root b square. So simple, just apply the formula of a plus b whole square. Okay, so what will be root a square plus, we are just applying this formula, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay, so we'll get root b square plus 2 into root a into root b. So we know that root a square equal to a plus b plus 2, and we can write this part as root ab. Okay, so these are few important derivation you can remember, and with the help of this formula you will be able to simplify the questions which will be asked in the examination. Okay, now example 16, you can see in the screen. Simplify the following properties, means expressions. Okay, so the first one is 5 plus root 7 into 2 plus root 5. So how we can simplify this expression? Okay, just multiply this one with this and then this one with this. So 5 to 10 plus 5. We cannot multiply rational number with irrational numbers, means there will be just, we can write in this way. Okay, we cannot multiply this part in the inside of this square part. Okay, and then this 2 root 7 plus root 35. I told you that here the result will be root 7 dot root 5, and we can write this part as like this. Okay, so what is the simplification? Okay, we cannot do anything, any addition, subtraction here. Okay, so this is the answer. Now second one, and second one is 5 plus root 5 and 5 minus root 5. So a plus b here and a minus b, just apply this formula, a square minus b square, you will get the result. Okay, so third one, now the fourth one is root 11 minus root 7, root 11 plus root 7, same, a minus b, a plus b equal to a square minus b square, just apply this formula. So root 11 square minus root 7 square, so you will get 11 minus 7, so 4 will be the answer. We know 11 dot root 11 will get 11. Okay, I will tell you how it is coming, but let me clear how we can write root a dot root a equal to a. Okay, so let me clear this concept first. So root a dot root a is equal to a. How? First, this is we can write the square part as a to the power half dot a to the power half. Now a to the power half plus half equal to a to the power 1 equal to a. So we will come with all these properties later, but this expression can be written as a to the power 1 by 3, 4. So this expression can be written as like this. Okay, so I am coming with these properties in future videos also. Okay, now I am going to discuss how to do the rationalize the denominator. Okay, so we have to rationalize the denominator. Suppose I am taking example of 1 by root 2. So how to rationalize? Remember, if we are going to rationalize the denominator, so we have to multiply the denominator with the same number. Okay, so we are going to rationalize, right? So we have to multiply by root 2 in the denominator as well as numerator. Okay, so we'll get root 2. Now root 2 into root 2 equal to 2. So this is the answer. So remember that if you have been asked to rationalize the denominator, you have to multiply the denominator and numerator with the same digit in the what is in the denominator. Okay, now I am giving you a few examples, and that will help you to better understanding and clarity. Okay, so example 18 of your NCERT book. Rationalize the denominator 1 by 2 plus root 3. So here it was single digit, so we have multiplied with root 2 in numerator and denominator. Now in case of this problem, we have to multiply with the same digit but with opposite sign. Okay, so let me clear this one. So we'll multiply the denominator with the same number but opposite sign. Okay, so let's see. So we'll multiply with the same thing in the numerator also. Okay, so 2 minus root 3. Now here you can see a plus b into a minus b formula. So 2 square minus root 3 square. Okay, so 2 minus root 3 means here 2 minus root 3 by 4 minus 3. Okay, so 2 minus root 3 is the answer. Okay, so please remember, the only thing is that we have to multiply this part with same number but with opposite sign. Okay, now example 19. Rationalize 5, you can see root 3 root 5. So this is homework. Do the same thing. You have to multiply by root 3 plus root 5 in numerator and denominator. Okay, now example, let me clear. Example 20. So same, rationalize 1 by 7 plus 3 root 2. Okay, so we'll multiply with 1 into 7 plus 3 root 2 with the same number but opposite sign, 7 minus 3 root 2 in numerator and denominator. 7 plus 7 minus 3 root 2. Okay, so 7 minus 3 root 2. Now here a plus b into a minus b. The intention is to means so that we can apply this formula, a plus b into a minus b. So that's why every time we multiply with the same number with opposite sign. Okay, so that we will get a square minus b square, and the square part square root will be removed. Okay, so 7 square minus 3 root 2 square. So 7 minus 3 root 2 and 7 square equal to 49 minus, here 3 square means let me segregate this part, means 3 root 2 square. We can write here 3 square into root 2 square. As I told you, ab square we can write a square into b square. Okay, so 9 into root 2 square will be 2, so 18. Okay, so here it will be 18. So 7 minus 3 root 2, 49, 1 and 3. So this is the answer. Okay. So that's it for today's session. Like, share and subscribe. Inform your friends, classmates regarding this course, and I will complete the whole syllabus in a very short time. And we will also discuss moderate, easy, moderate and advanced problem from your class 9 book. Okay. Thank you so much.